A very warm good morning to one and all present here. Here we are the students of class 10th up and we are representing our maths project in front of you all, Ek Bharat Shrestra Bharat. So here are the students which are involved in our work. The first one is Tanvi Agrawal, then Charu Goyal, Chanchal, Deva Gola, Neeraj Shankar and Nandini Agrawal. They have given their best in doing this work properly. They had given their hard work with the proper determination. So we had given them names. The serious one is Tanvi, the talented one is Charu, the helping one is Nandini, the creative one Chanchal, the editor is Deva Gola, the inspiring one is Neeraj. Then we had talked about the students. Now we will learn about the table of content, that what kind of content we are involving in our project. So it's the list of our content which we are going to involve in our project. So let's start. But before that, just look our cover page. It's math project cover page. Now the first one is what's 3D surface? Before knowing anything, we should have the knowledge about it. 3D shapes are shapes with 3 dimensions such as width, height and depth. 3D shapes can be solid or hollow. Now the properties of 3D shapes. These are one of the most important topics, the properties. Before knowing the properties, how we can tell that what are 3D shapes? As we all know, most of the things in our world is made up of 3D shapes. Even you is also made up of 3D shapes. Even the page is also made up of 3D shapes. But the width we can't see, it is negligible. Now it has 3 main things, that is faces, edges and vertices. Here we have tell the types of 3D surfaces. The first one is sphere, then pyramid, then we have talk about more also. That's of 3D surface and their properties. So here we have take other example also like cube, cuboid, cylinder, prism, tetrahedron, cone. Cuboid, oh my god, it's one of the most favorite because when we were child we just made it. We had a lot of interest in making it. We just draw the 2 boxes and just join the line and just bat with each other that who can make the base. So now we have to learn it more. So it has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Cylinder, don't think that it is a cylinder by which we make the food. It has 3 faces, vertices, 0 vertices, 2 edges. Then tetrahedron. Oh, what a typical name, but don't go on its name. It is very easy to learn. It has 4 faces, 6 edges and 4 vertices. Now, third one is use of 3D surfaces in real life. Because math is a very interesting subject and before correlating everything with our real life, we can't learn it. So here we are correlating it with our real life. Cones in real life, pyramid, everything we are just correlating in real life by which we are easily learn that. Next one is, here we had also some more 3D shapes also. Now the fourth one is now introduction of Uttar Pradesh, the main topic. Uttar Pradesh is a very famous state in our India. Uttar Pradesh is a state in northern India with over 200 million inhabitants. It is the most populous state in India. It was created on April 1937 and its name was given in 1950. Now we will learn about fast facts about Uttar Pradesh. These are also very important for us. Now the culture and art and crafts of Uttar Pradesh. It is rich in culture, its history is very great and very interesting. It is also having the Indus Valley civilization. Next one is climate. It is a very humid subtropical climate. The next one is culture. The culture of Uttar Pradesh is also very rich. The culture of Uttar Pradesh swears by its rich historical past. The geography. Uttar Pradesh with a total area of 2,43,219 square kilometers. Its monument is Varanasi Ghat. We had taken it. Varanasi Ghat is a very spiritual and religious place. It's also called as Banaras. It's very old. The words of Mark Twain on Varanasi or Banaras set the tones for the introduction of the oldest city in the world. Its history dates over 3,000 years ago. Now, maths is a subject with numbers. So for learning the numbers, we should have to learn about the architects also. Here we had given the architects. Now the model of Varanasi Ghat. It's the model which is made by Chanchal. here we have taken the thermocol with the help of different colors. We just decorated it. Here it also have artificial plants and many more things. There are some pics of it also. She is making the model. Now, some symbols are also here like state animal, state bird, state flower, state tree. We should have also the knowledge of it, like swamp deer, its crane, palas and ashoka. Now the next one is introduction of Punjab. Punjab is also very interesting state of our India. The next is in 1849 the Punjab kingdom fell to the troops of the British East India Company and subsequently became a province under British rule. Then Bandar Singh Bahadur defeat and execution in 1716 were followed by prolonged struggle between the Sikhs and Mughals and Afghans. Now culture, it is very rich in culture and food of Punjab is also very delicious. So it's have a very unique, colorful and extravagant culture. The Punjab food is one of the most delicious food. It is chapatis with the ghee. Lassi is the refreshing drink and is a very heavy dose of milk. Makke ki roti and sarson da saag is one of the most, we can say, well-known word. And everyone eat it in winter. Mostly we eat it in the winter. Then we will learn more things about it also. About Punjab dresses, they wear just very wonderful dresses. The women wear salwar kameez and the men wear turbans. Now the Punjab dance, bhangra. When we just listen this word, we just start dancing. The bhangra is the Punjab dance and many more dances are also there like Giddha, Sami, Ludhi and Dhamal. The language and religion, the language of Punjab is Punjabi. Now the monument which we have taken is Jallainwala Bagh. It's one of the most known event which has happened in our India. Now, it was happened on 13 April 1919 and the leader or the criminal of this was General Dyer. Now, it's the model of Punjab which is made by Nandini. She had also made it with the help of thermocol and used the paper for decorating it and the colors also. So, here are some pics of Jallainwala Bagh. Then she's Nandini who is making that. Then before doing something we should have the knowledge about that. So some students do the research work. It's Tanvi who is researching about 3D surfaces through laptop. Then Charu, she is researching about Jallainwala Bagh and Punjab culture. Then Deva, he is also researching about uses of 3D surface through laptop. Then Neeraj, searching about architecture of Varanasi ghat. Nandini, she is searching about properties of 3D surfaces. Chanchal, she is searching about the culture, art and crafts in UP and Punjab through books. This is all which we have done in our project. So thank you. Hope you like our project.